Hey YouTube, this is Andrea and this is a haul video. Yay! We got this package from scrapbook.com and it came with a gift guide. We'll look at that at the end. What I ordered, let's see, it's not all in order. Kind of pulled it out the way that it was. Alright, so I ordered G45 Imagine. So these are the chipboard pieces that you get with it. Very pretty. I love these. They're great for swing tabs and doing tuck spots, or just using them on tags. And I got the 8x8 and the 12x12 of the packet. I'll show you the 8x8. It's the same as the 12x12. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. Already. It's pretty already. Alright. Look at those balloons. How beautiful is that? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Some little tags that you could cut out, which means we'll have bigger ones on the 12x12. And the opposite of this paper is this red polka dot. So that's nice. Got ourselves some butterflies, some more bigger balloons. This says Imagine. Beautiful roses. That look like a teapot. Yeah, that's a teapot. Oops, shoot. I hate when I do that. There we go. Oh, did it again. It's because we're getting towards the end. These are little strips you can use. Oh, these are cute. Roses with some clocks. And there's going to be our cover piece. I'm not sure what size I'm going to do this time for this particular paper pack, but I am thinking about it. Alright, and then the 12x12 you know is there. Then it came with the sticker sheet. The sticker sheet is really nice. Go. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this to the side. And then we got the Griffin foil layers. And then this one here is 96 cardstock sheets, 64 5x7, and 32 6x6. And this is the box that it came in. You know, her boxes are so pretty. You can even use the box for something. Alright, here are our 6x6. Let's see if it's not too stiff. Yeah, we could do it like that. There we go. Try it this way. Okay, those are the 6x6. Let's check out the 5x7. You got the 5x7, feels like you're getting more. Let me see. Yeah, you get 64 of the 5x7 and then 32 of the 6x6. But these are perfect for doing greeting cards and stuff. If you're doing a real small mini album, you can also use these as well. And I've done that before. So there's like 4 or 5 sheets of these each. Okay, there's that. That's our Griffin box. That is the 6x6 and the 5x7. Okay, then we got Jullie Nutting French Flea Market. And this is going to also be a mini album that I'm going to make. I got the 12x12 papers and the sticker sheet. Then the ephemera pack. So So let's open this up. And here's another sticker sheet, huh? Yeah, I got 2 sticker sheets. Cool. Alright. So here's our other sticker sheet, which we will probably go ahead and stick in here, because they're identical. That's good. Here, let me show you the sticker sheet. Alright. There we go. Look at the Eiffel Tower. I love the bicycle. The hat. The dress form. The bird cage. The only thing this is missing is a bottle of perfume. That's it. So if you're out there, Julie, throw in a bottle of perfume. French perfume. I do toilette. So here is our paper. This is just the cover, but it shows you all the papers that are in this pack. And there are 13 sheets. So this is going to be a small mini album, because there's only 13 sheets in here. Here is our first one. Very darling. It's double-sided, so you have the flags and stuff on the back. Cute. This is the same one. So you get 2 sheets each. This one's cute. Hello, gorgeous. I love that. Little umbrellas. This one has a lot of flowers in black and white. And here we have some writing. When I go to do this particular one, I will probably have another pad that I will use to, that's pretty, I like that, to use as filler paper. So, you guys know how that goes. Pretty. And we got the bingo papers. Here's the dress form again. On the back is this. Pretty. And then these are tags you could cut out, or you can use this side. So this is the French flea market. If you get the pack I got, it is 13 sheets, giving you 2 of each of these. So you might want to double, if you're going to do a mini album, you might want to double your pack. And just so that you know you have enough sheets. Because 24 sheets is average for a mini album. And then of course you have your filler sheets, which is like journaling spots if you don't already have it on your paper. Or you might want a solid color in with something that's not so solid. Get this back in here. And I've got the ephemera pack. Now all of this was on sale at scrapbook.com. I did not hit up the Black Friday, but I did get the Black Friday prices on Cyber Monday. And I'm not sure if they're still having the Black Friday prices, but you might want to go for it. This pack right here was, how much was this? Let me look real quick. Alright, so I just want to go ahead and give you the prices. I did, this is by Photo Play. It's called Photo Play Paper, French Flea Market by Jullie Netting. And, I mean Julie Nutting. I always say her name wrong. Anyway, for the ephemera pack it was $4.49. The stickers was $2.69. And then the paper pack was $12.59. So almost $1 sheet, $1 a sheet on that one. For those papers. Then, let's see. The Anna Griffin. This one right here was $27.24, and you already know how many comes in it. Then, get these up here. These two, I accidentally bought more than one, so there you have that. But these were $5.54 a piece. Then the 8x8 for Imagine was $18.49, and then the 12x12. No, the 12x12 was $18.49, and then the 8x8 was $11.09. So those are really good prices, guys, when it comes to Graphic 45, because they can be very expensive. So when you see them on sale, snatch them up. All right. Oh, we did get this for free. It's called Crafters Essentials by We Are Memory Keepers, and it's the mini rotary cutter. It's a little tiny rotary cutter. Look how tiny. This thing is so tiny. Let me show you. Because on the picture it looked big, but this is itty bitty. It's only 3.5 inches. It's not even full 3.5 inches. It's 3 inches, 3¼ inches. So tiny. Now here's that scrapbook.com gift guide, and I was looking through it. I thought, maybe I'll find something new. But half of this, I have to say, maybe 4 things out of here I do not have, or I wouldn't buy. So I have most of everything in here. I just got this. This is a part of the haul. This thing is so humongous. It is 6 inches by 81 feet, double-sided adhesive roll, just like you would get a little one like that. I got a big one. So I thought that would be great for putting on the spines. So we'll just cut it, to the spine, and then stick it down. I will see how that works out. That was, normally this was $80 something, $80 something, and I got it for $27. So that was cheap compared to, let me see what it was originally. They may not sell it. No, I got, yeah, $26.49 is what I paid, but it doesn't say what it was. Alright. But everything in here I already have. I will give some suggestions. On the die cutting, I have the Spellbinders, the Platinum die cut machine, and I love it. And I do use the Gemini more often because I'm doing more and more. But if you're looking for a machine and you don't want to spend Gemini prices, try out the Spellbinder. That's a really nice one. I've never done the Tim Holtz, but I went to a show and I saw it. It just wasn't for me. That's that Vagabond. Really, this is something you would want to collect, like put on the shelf, to have it just to be cute. The dies you can get on eBay for pennies on the dollar. I have these, the clear craft storage cases. I have ink. I don't need this ink storage because I only really use black and brown. I mean, that's about it. I have all the colors and all I use is black and brown. So I have a stamping platform already. I used to have a guillotine paper cutter, but I switched over to the Precision by Fiskars, and man, it's a dream. And I've had it for over a year now, so it's nice. Alright, so that's my opinion on the scrapbook.com gift guide. Don't forget to check them out. This is not, they are not paying me to say anything, but I think we forget about these little companies that have some really great prices. So check them out, see if you find something of your own. and let us know down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.